I want to tell you guys a little bit more information about this online course when it comes to detoxification of children with autism. And basically what this course includes, what you're going to be learning, what you're going to be discovering if you decide to purchase it and move forward. So when it comes at this clinic, mainly what we see is children with speech delay and autism, okay? Some children are too young to be diagnosed with autism, but they show the classic signs of it. So whether your child has been diagnosed or they're showing signs and symptoms of it, this is what we do for about 90% of the children that come in here with autism or suspected autism. And we do this protocol, this detoxification protocol. Now, this protocol is very unique. Very few healthcare practitioners do it. It's very powerful for the majority of children, not all, but for the majority of children, there's positive changes, and it's not very long lasting. We usually do the detox for less than a month, and changes are usually fairly quick if they're going to happen, okay? But like I said, most children respond very, very well to this detox. So in this course, we're going to be talking about where to get the medicines, how to do the procedure, how we do it at this clinic with the majority of children, how to properly give the medicine, and what to watch for, like how to gauge how much medicine to give, when to move up in strength on the detoxification, what are the benefits you'll see, when do you know when to stop it. So basically that's what you guys are going to be learning. It's going to be over an hour of high definition video, over 9 videos total. And it's really, really in depth. I made this really in depth to make sure that you guys have all the tools to be able to do this properly for yourself and for your children. And the majority of you will see, most likely will see positive changes. Of course, every case is unique, okay? You'll be discovering how we detoxify certain medical substances that we suspect may have caused a change in our child, okay? So regardless of our beliefs or our thoughts, what we do at this clinic, the 2 major things we see is we do a vaccine detox and there's an antibiotic detox, okay? Now, what this typically does is if there was any negative effects left by vaccinations with our children or after excessive use of antibiotics, these detoxifications are specific for that, and it's totally different than chelation, okay? So this is a form of homeopathy where we're able to detox certain medical substances that we suspect cause a change in our child. And a lot of parents, I would say over 80 to 90% of the parents that come into this clinic with their children have said that a week after this intervention, my child changed. Or 3 weeks after this intervention, I noticed a huge shift in my child. They lost their eye contact. They lost their vocabulary. They weren't involved in the world anymore. They kind of went in their own little world. These type of things. And these are super, super common, unfortunately, nowadays. So that's what we're going to be touching on in this online course. But like I said, we do this for so many children in this clinic. And I can only see so many patients and children in this clinic in 1 year. So this is for parents to do on their own and to learn how to do it properly like we do here. So anyways, I encourage you, take a look at the program. I'm sure you'll get a ton of benefit out of it. It's very in-depth. We put a lot of effort into this to help you guys and your family.